Welcome back to my channel. My name is Suman and I hope you all are doing very well. So in today's video I have created this makeup look right here. It's a very dewy, very juicy glass skin makeup look basically. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So I'll be starting with this primer. It's from Becca. It's their First Light Priming Filter. It's a sample size one. It's a very dewy primer. It does not work so well on your pores, but it gives a very dewy look. You'll see. Okay, so my face is nice and primed. Okay, so we are done with the primer, and now let's move on to the next step. Next, I'll be using this MAC Strobe Cream, my favorite. I use this in every makeup video. I'll be taking a very pea-sized amount, applying it on the highest points of my face, like cheek, my nose, here, and yeah. I like to use cream products, just not blush. The blush I have is so pretty. I love to apply it, and then after a few hours it just vanishes from my face. Recently I bought that Dr. Belmore spot patch treatment, and I've been using it as such an amazing product. So what's up, you guys? What you have been doing? What series are you watching right now? Recently I started Bridgerton because I want to know what the hype is all about. So I started watching. It's a nice show. I just started it, so okay, my face is prepped. So the next product I'll be using is this concealer. It's LA Girl Pro Conceal. Absolute favorite. I've been using this ever since I don't know from when. I won't be using any foundation because I'm going for a very natural look. I'll be using brush today because all my beauty blenders are very dirty and I haven't cleaned them yet. I'm hating myself for doing that. So I won't be powdering my face right now because that will be the last step. You can't use cream products once you apply powder. Then I'll be using this concealer from Swiss Beauty. Heard so much about it and I've been using it for past 1-2 months, and it's really amazing, worth the hype. So I've been using this. The shade is not right though. I mean, it's a brightening shade for me, not exactly my skin color. The shade, right, I forgot to mention the shade. This is Sand Sable 02 and the LA Girl concealer, that's in the shade Pure Beige. So I hope you guys are liking my fashion videos, because I thought of changing my content a bit. I mean, I don't want to restrict all my videos to only makeup. I want to do fashion videos also. My under eyes have been a real mess for a few days. I don't know why, but it just looks so bad, and it looks like I have not been sleeping for last 1 week or something, but I don't know why this is happening. I've been sleeping a lot, but still I don't know. So I think I need to buy a proper eye cream. I know I have said this so many times. I don't believe in eye cream and all that, but that Nivea cream is not working anymore on my eyes. So I think I have to buy a new eye cream. Please suggest some if you can in the comment section below, because I really need a proper eye cream right now, I guess. I have a contour stick right here. It's from Wet n Wild. yeah, it's working nicely. So yeah, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do, because I am very active there and I always post something or the other. Recently I started posting on reels, and yeah, I'm enjoying the reel thing, and I hope you guys are liking my fashion videos, because I don't know, I am doing it because I am obsessed with fashion and I love fashion. And yeah, let me tell you guys something. People who knows me from before know I had a very, very ugly fashion sense. Yeah, ugly is the right word. I mean, it was messed up. I still see my pictures and I still cringe. Like, not even that long. 1-2 years back, yeah. Not even that long. It was horrible. And yeah, people used to make fun of that. Now I do too, so I don't mind. But yeah, it was really bad. But back then I was not into fashion that much. I mean, ये होता था कि चलो ये है तो पहन लेती हूँ, जो भी है पहन लो. And then slowly, right now I'm not saying it's amazing and it's perfect, but it's much better. I am in a much better place right now. So yeah. So next I'll be using the blush. It's from Faces Canada, and I was talking about this only. It's in the shade Sweet Apricot. It's such a pretty color, right? I know, it's so nice and so gorgeous. See the color? It's so pretty. I know it's looking like a lot, but it'll go away, trust me. And of course on my nose, can I forget the nose part? I do this thing now where I connect my blush. It looks so pretty and so natural. So yeah, back to my fashion sense. So right now it's in a better place, but let me tell you, this was not like pehle se. My skin looks so good. My skin looks very nice. Okay, so just pull your blush up. Whatever product you apply, just pull it up, not drag it down. Recently I have also been putting some makeup on my face whenever I go out. I mean, lipstick is necessary, then a little bit eyeliner, then a little bit blush, and yeah, that's all I'm doing, because I feel good by doing that. Yeah, much better, right? But this will go away. So blush is done. Next is highlighter, and I'm using this Wet n Wild stick highlighter. Love this product. I don't know if you can see, this is actually a champagne color blush highlighter. I don't know if you can see, but it looks gorgeous. I won't be putting on any eyeshadow or anything, just this highlighter on the center of my lid. I don't really use color that much. If you have seen my videos also, you have seen that I don't use that much color, but right now I need to curl my lashes because nothing is going on my eyes right now, so I need to make my lashes very nice. So the mascara I'm using is Colossal from Maybelline. Just to give my eyes some depth, that's why I'm using. Bronzer will do actually. try to apply it on the outer corner only, not much on the inner one. Okay, so now for lipstick, I have two lipsticks. This is from Wet n Wild and it's their Rebel Rose, and this color is very similar to my lip color. I know it looks a little bit dark, but it's not. It's very light. It's a nude color. So I'll be applying this, and on top, of course, gloss. You know, few people were telling me to do some hairstyle videos, but I am very bad on hairstyling. I mean, this what you are looking at is, that's all. That's my hairstyle. My hairstyle is called I Tried. So yeah, I'm very bad at hairstyling because I don't know any hairstyles, and something is wrong with my hair because it does not cooperate at all. It just refuses to cooperate. Even if I'm trying to do something, no, my hair won't allow me. So I have given up on hairstyle. I'm so sorry. I will try to make one for you guys, but I don't know how much I'll be successful in doing that. And I also have to learn few hairstyles because I know nothing. Okay, so this is from Nykaa and it's their Honey Boo lip gloss. Yeah, it looks good. So the makeup is done and I think it looks very good. I know I've already applied highlighter, but I'll be using this Becca highlighter in the shade Moonstone. I see a little bit highlighter in every video and I end up having only highlighter on my face. So yeah, I think my makeup is done. It looks so gorgeous. Like, I can't get enough of this highlighter. First, let me show you guys properly my makeup video, those dramas and all I do. So yeah, let's go ahead and watch it. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I wanted to do a little chit chat video. That's why I didn't do the voiceover thing, because I've been talking to you guys after a very long time, so I thought why not do one. So yeah, I hope you like this video and you like this look because I am loving it. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below what you want to see next or what you like about this video. You can also follow me on my Instagram. I'll leave the handle in the description box. So go and follow me there, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care and love yourself. Bye. Mwah.